What's up guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be about COVID-19 coronavirus. Everybody has been like panicking these days. Many deaths are happening, recoveries are happening, but is there going to be further another wave, like the third wave coming? That's a great question actually. So wait a second. So I have heard that many of the researchers or the scientists saying that the doctors and the scientists are saying that there may be even third wave coming, and that may even affect the kids over here right now. So that will be affecting the kids more than adults and everybody. So third wave is going to be so precautionary to their family, for their children. You guys need to be precaution to not get COVID-19. So many of the countries are like what do you call that Egypt, Bihar. I think you guys know in India there's a state called Bihar. So over there they are saying that there may be even third wave in 2 to 3 months from now. So now it's May and June, July and August. It will be a third wave for them, August or July. So it's a big thing for all over the world, and actually India is the one which is like literally panicking a lot. Many deaths are going on, oxygen cylinders are not there, not enough space for the people and all. So it is like the most hardest thing when you don't get anything and you just die due to oxygen. Many deaths are going on. So be safe guys, and I want to say you guys one more thing. India has 3.62 lakh fresh cases today and 4,120 deaths. Think about it, the whole India. It may be more than that also, and in Saudi Arabia also it's increasing a lot. So don't go anywhere out. Be safe, wear mask and wear gloves wherever you go. Sanitize before you come to the house. Just keep the sanitizer out of the door and just come in before, just put the sanitizer and then just come in to the house. So, and then in Saudi Arabia also it's really it's going to be it's spreading a lot in Saudi Arabia also. It is there are many cases. I'll be saying you guys the counts right now, but many places are are affected. Mostly I think Jeddah and Riyadh, the capital city, Bahrain. Many people come from there only because many people who are stuck in India wants to come to Saudi Arabia, so they come through Bahrain. So that's not the safest right now. So today's Saudi Arabia's cases are 4,30,505. So, and the deaths are 7,112, and recovered cases are more. So I feel really happy for that. So that is 14,139 for today. It's a great development going on, and UK, many are there, many countries are there. So I feel coronavirus needs to go, and third wave is confirmed to be coming here and all. It will be coming September, October, like that. And in India also the same, I think so, but mostly it will come before that also, I feel, because third wave is it's literally now the second wave is only taking it into the next level. There are many deaths among all the families in India, so that's a big deal, and I feel so sorry for them. So stay safe and be in house. Don't go anywhere out, just be in the house. And they need to be more and more lockdown actually. But lockdowns, there are some disadvantages also, because whenever you get a lockdown, that time it won't be, wait a second, so that time it won't be there are many people who don't like, who like sell like what do you call, who sell things in the roads. They all will be affected, and that's really bad. But still, if the country wants, or if the whole world wants to like go coronavirus, it needs to be there. Till now, Saudi Arabia, I think it has only one, like first time we just did one lockdown, but it was a great one. I experienced a lot. I made videos in it, more and more videos over there. So just check it out, my videos. So many are there over here, and it's a big thing. So I want to say everyone to you guys that be safe. Don't go out, don't go anywhere like far away from your distance. If you go also, be precautionary. Don't be near anyone. Don't touch the you always know the door knobs, right? Don't touch those things whenever you go out. Wear a gloves and touch if you want, but still it's not safe. So don't do anything like that, please. And third wave, I feel really scared right now, because it's like literally the coronavirus is like spreading all over the world. I feel so bad in this. Okay, so when we unite together, we'll do lockdowns and many things. India, I think currently the north side, with North India, like the north side of India was like Maharashtra and all, Punjab and all was fully of corona. It was like a big thing over there. Corona was spreading all over. There only second wave started, but after that, now it's showing that the South India side, it is like the Kerala, Tamil Nadu and all, it's like spreading everywhere. I think even Tamil Nadu has even put some lockdowns actually, and that's a good thing, precautionary thing. So I think this is the end, guys. So be safe in your house. This is just a video for you guys. So be safe. I don't want any one of you guys to suffer. So be safe, wear mask, and subscribe to my channel. Like the button, and I'll be coming with the next video fact by tomorrow. Like I'm doing many things like this. So subscribe to my channel, and until next time, peace out, guys.